today's video we're going to be restoring my Tyco Chattanooga. It was running just a little bit ago, and then it started like not being able to pull it around the curves and stuff and slowing down, so I thought I was going to take it apart and restore it. I guess restore, clean it, whatever you want to call it. So let's get right into it. Okay, so now I have her on the track after the restoration, so let's see how she performs now. Dang, that's a lot better. I just say that as she would do it. There we go. Perfect. This is my first restoration video. Let me know if you liked it and if I should change it up a little bit. I think I like the time lapse, but if you guys don't want me to do time lapse, just let me know. I'll change it up. So yeah, I think that's a successful restoration. I should have taken a video of what I was doing beforehand, but yeah, I think that was a good restoration. Okay, I'll see you all guys in the next video. Bye!